Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an ideal drone for first-time pilots and anyone passionate about aerial photography. Weighing just 249 grams, it falls below the FAA registration requirement, letting you take off right out of the box. Its compact design includes built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors, ensuring safer flights and helping avoid accidental collisions. The Flip is versatile in control options. You can pilot it using the included remote, a smartphone app, or direct on aircraft controls, making it easy for users of all experience levels. Equipped with a high-performance camera, the DJI Flip captures stunning aerial imagery. It supports 4K video at 60 frames per second and still images at either 12MP or 48MP resolution. Photographers can choose the DNG format to shoot raw images for maximum editing flexibility, while videographers benefit from the flat D-Log-M profile, providing a neutral starting point for color grading and exposure adjustments. Whether you are a beginner, a photography enthusiast, or a recreational flyer, the DJI Flip meets your needs. Its lightweight frame makes it perfect for casual flights, while advanced camera options satisfy creative professionals. Note that the drone does not include remote ID broadcast, so it is not intended for commercial use. Specifications. Dimensions: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection, integrated. Camera, gimbal stabilized, 4K video, 12/48MP photos. Media storage, internal, microSD-XC. Control, smartphone/tablet app or dedicated remote with LCD. Live feed, 1080p. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is an excellent choice for entry-level pilots and aspiring aerial photographers. Lightweight at just 249 grams, it does not require FAA registration for recreational use, though users must complete an online knowledge test. Its compact design includes GPS-based stability, Find My Drone functionality, and a return-to-home feature, making flights safer and easier, even for beginners. While it lacks obstacle detection, its reliable flight systems and 38-minute battery life provide plenty of flexibility for casual and creative flights. The Mini 3 excels in imaging capabilities. Its 4K 30 camera records smooth video with HDR effects and can tilt upward 60 degrees, allowing for unique angles. Photographers can shoot 12MP photos in JPG or RAW DNG formats, and the f1.7 lens performs well in low-light conditions at dawn and dusk. Video creators will appreciate the ability to switch seamlessly between vertical and landscape orientations, making it ideal for both YouTube and TikTok content. This drone suits a variety of users. Recreational flyers benefit from its lightweight, easy-to-control design, while licensed pilots can take advantage of remote ID for commercial work, such as monetized YouTube videos, real estate photography, or event filming, though an extended 51-minute battery is required for remote ID operation. Specifications. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera, gimbal stabilized, 4K video, 12MP photos. Media storage, microSD-XC. Remote, dedicated with app or LCD. Live video feed, 1080p. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that high-quality drones aren't exclusive to major brands. This compact 249G quadcopter avoids FAA registration for recreational use while still delivering impressive performance. Its 4K 30 camera, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, captures smooth, stabilized video, and takes sharp still images at 12MP or 48MP resolution, with an option for RAW DNG files for advanced editing. Flight reliability is strong, with a 32-minute battery life and a dedicated remote control included in the package, making it ready to fly out of the box. The Atom 2 suits a wide range of users. Beginners will appreciate its approachable design, excellent camera quality, and attractive price point. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying near obstacles is easy enough for most new pilots. Recreational flyers benefit from its lightweight frame and FAA registration exemption, letting them focus on fun flights rather than paperwork. For licensed drone pilots, the Atom 2 stands out by including a built-in remote ID module. This feature makes it compliant for professional use, enabling tasks like real estate photography, stock footage production, and monetized content creation on YouTube or social media. Specifications. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: gimbal stabilized, 4K video, 12/48 MP photos. Media storage: microSD. Remote: dedicated with app. Live video feed: 1080p. With its combination of lightweight design, strong camera performance, and remote ID compliance, the Potensic Atom 2 is a versatile drone for both beginners and professionals alike. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a lightweight, compact drone designed for those who want quick selfies and smooth landscape videos without hassle. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids FAA registration for recreational use, making it ideal for casual pilots. Built-in propeller guards provide extra safety, allowing you to launch and land the Neo from the palm of your hand. It records steady 4K video and captures 12 MP photos, with a flight time of approximately 18 minutes on a single charge. The drone can be flown manually via a smartphone app or, for more control, with a dedicated remote, sold separately. While its video profile isn't as refined as some higher-end DJI models, it's perfectly suitable for social media, especially given its $199 starting price. The Neo is great for beginners. Its automated flight modes simplify navigation, while propeller guards and intuitive controls reduce the risk of accidents. Social media enthusiasts will enjoy the on-drone controls for capturing quick selfies without needing a remote or app. Recreational flyers will appreciate its lightweight frame and easy portability, while professional pilots should note it lacks remote ID, making it unsuitable for commercial SUAS use. Specifications. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: none. Camera: gimbal stabilized, 4K video, 12 MP photos. Media storage: internal. Remote: smartphone/tablet app, remote sold separately. Live video feed: 1080p. The DJI Neo combines portability, simplicity, and high-quality video, making it the perfect companion for casual drone enthusiasts and selfie lovers. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. First-person view, FPV, drones offer a flying experience like no other, placing you directly in the cockpit of a small, agile aircraft. By transmitting an ultra-low latency live feed from its camera to a pair of goggles, the DJI Avata 2 lets pilots weave through tight spaces, dodge obstacles, and perform exhilarating maneuvers like flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical plunges. These drones aren't primarily for capturing scenic shots, they're built for an adrenaline-fueled, immersive flight experience. Flying an FPV drone is more demanding than piloting a standard camera drone. Without protective guards and with higher speeds, pilots must react quickly to avoid collisions. The Avata 2, 8/10, Wired recommends, reduces the learning curve for beginners. Its motion-sensitive controller enables easy braking and hovering, while capturing stunning video at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second. Though it lacks automatic obstacle avoidance, its forgiving controls help new pilots build confidence before attempting fully manual maneuvers. The included goggles deliver a sharp, immersive view through dual micro OLED screens. Adjustable eyepieces accommodate different interpupillary distances, and the built-in diopter corrects vision, making the experience accessible even to those who normally wear glasses. Flying the Avata 2 feels like using training wheels. You can safely enjoy most FPV tricks. For advanced stunts, such as steep dives, the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 offers full twin-stick control. With its combination of beginner-friendly handling and high-quality video, the Avata 2 is an ideal entry point into the thrilling world of FPV flying.